everyone and welcome back to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm Vanessa and I'm taking over today to give you my curly hair routine. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and make sure to like this video. So all of the products I use to get my curls like this are from Look Fantastic, of course, and I'm going to show you the whole process including washing, styling and drying. So if you want to see how I got these super defined curls, keep on watching. Okay, so my hair's been stuck in a bun for the last 3 days, so I know it is going to be very misshapen. Okay, here we go. As soon as my hair's been up for a few days, it will not return to normal form. I'm gonna go and get my hair wet and then we will start the washing process. My hair is wet and obviously I would usually wash my hair in the shower, but my bathroom is not big enough for these kind of activities. Okay, so first I'm starting with the Curl Essence Moisturizing Shampoo. I'm just gonna take like this much. I rub it between my fingers. I massage the product in for a few minutes to get rid of any product buildup, and also my hair's not brushed yet, so I don't actually brush it until I've got like a conditioner in or a hair mask or something like that. My hair's so much easier to detangle when it's got something conditioning in it. I never put shampoo on the ends of my hair because when I rinse it out, the product will like naturally find its way down there, so I don't really find the need to do it. Okay, so I've given my scalp a good massage and now I'm just going to rinse it out. After shampooing, I always go in with a deep conditioner because my hair needs that extra bit of moisture. So for the last maybe 2 or 3 months, I've been using the Mielle deep conditioner, which I think is absolutely amazing. I really recommend this. However, today I'm switching it up and I wanted to try the Olaplex No. 3 hair treatment for so long, so that's what we're going to use today. Apparently this is like magic in a bottle, so let's see, shall we? I'm just going to take like this much and put it all over and really focus on my ends. And the crown of my head also gets super dry, so I like to put a lot there. I'm going to take my Denman brush and detangle my hair. If you have curly hair, you need a Denman brush in your life. It's honestly the best hairbrush. Okay, so I've just sectioned my hair so that it is easier to detangle, and then I start detangling from the ends of my hair and work my way up. Once the section's detangled, I'm just going to twist it. The treatment is all through my hair is all detangled, and I'm just going to leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes and then I'll rinse it out. My hair feels really soft after that treatment and it smells so good. The final part of my wash routine is the conditioner. So I'm using the Curl Essence Moisturizing Conditioner, the same line as the shampoo, and I just put the conditioner everywhere. I use a lot of conditioner and this is just going to lock in all the moisture. I again take my Denman brush just to work the conditioner through my hair to make sure that all the strands are covered, starting from top to bottom. My hair is covered in conditioner. I'm just going to literally leave it for like 2 minutes. I don't really leave it that long because I've already done a deep conditioner. But yeah, I'll go rinse this out and be right back. Now we're on to my favourite part, which is styling. And I'm very surprised that my makeup has actually survived the hair wash. Congrats to me. I'm just first gonna split my hair into 2 and then I will split it into 4 as I go through it. So I'm just gonna start with the bottom 2 sections and start applying my products. First product I'm using is the Curlsmith Curl Conditioning Oiling Cream. And this is a really good leave-in conditioner. I've used it a few times and it just leaves my curls super moisturized. I take a generous amount as always, so about this much per section, and I just rub it through my hair and make sure I get all the ends because they get super dry. And then I'm going to take the same size for the other side. Again, I pull out the Denman brush and I just make sure that all the product is distributed across every single strand. To lock in moisture, especially in the winter, I always use an oil. So my process is normally like leave-in conditioner, oil, and then styling product. So for the oil, I'm using the Moroccan oil, and I really like this. It smells really nice. I don't take too much, maybe this amount, which to me is not a lot, but I imagine it might be to some people. And then I just rub it through on top of the product. And then the final product is the Aveda Curl Enhancer. So I take maybe this much. I feel like this like hair combination, hair cocktail products works really well for me. For the top of my hair, I actually don't need as much product because my curls are a lot lighter and they kind of get weighed down a little bit more. So I don't use as much as I did on the bottom half of my hair. There is obviously a lot of brushing involved on wash day, but then I don't brush my hair again until the next wash day. And I probably leave like a week between each wash day. That's when my curls start to look a little bit crusty. So yeah, I just brush my hair once a week. So I feel like I'm brushing a lot, but don't be alarmed, please. And then my favourite part of the hair wash is pulling out the diffuser because it means that the process is finally over. And I just prefer diffusing my hair to letting it air dry because I feel like I have more control over how the curls dry. So I have it on cold heat and medium power. With most of my hair I will do the typical diffuser move, but underneath my hair, just to kind of make my hair look longer, I take the hair like this and dry it this way so that it kind of dries this length and doesn't shrink too much, whereas when I'm doing this it's going to make the hair go even more curly. And then I just change attachment and then I'll give my hair another blast with this, and this really helps with volume. This is what my hair is looking like. It's super defined, it's nice and soft, it's bouncy. And yeah, I'm really obsessed with this little product combination. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed my curly hair routine. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Look Fantastic YouTube channel.